Hello and welcome, fellow traders and enthusiastic learners. Today, we are poised on the cusp of a thrilling exploration into a world where advanced technology, strategic precision, and the rhythm of the markets coalesce. Yes, my friends, we're diving headfirst into the dynamic domain of scalping, with our lens zoomed in on the pulsating world of the CL-Crude oil continuous futures contract on the venerable NYMEX exchange. Let's talk technology. Here at Meta_Quant, we don't just aim to keep pace with the evolving trading landscape. No, we strive to redefine it, to set the bar higher with every innovation, every insight, and every success story. And today, we showcase our cutting-edge high-frequency trading, HFT, signal system, a technological marvel that's set to revolutionize your trading experience. Now, you might be asking, what makes HFT so exceptional on the CL continuous futures contract? Well, friends, strap yourselves in, as we're about to reveal the jaw-dropping potency and precision of these HFT signals. In the trading ecosystem, the bid-ask spread is a vital concept. It's the difference between the price at which someone is willing to sell a security, ask price, and the price at which someone is ready to buy that same security, bid price. In a perfect world, this spread would be negligible. However, in the world of trading, and particularly in the crude oil futures market, this isn't always the case. The bid-ask spread can often become a challenge for traders. But that's where our HFT signal system comes in, offering high-quality signals that allow us to navigate this spread with tactical finesse and strategic expertise. Market making, on the other hand, is a different beast. It's a high-stakes strategy that involves being ready to buy and sell securities at any time. Market makers inject liquidity into the markets by providing buy and sell quotes and standing ready to engage in trades at these prices. Now, we're integrating this logic of fade into our trading strategy, a move that could exponentially enhance our trading outcomes. But, it's essential to be cognizant of the inherent risks involved. In the world of crude oil futures trading, it's critical to understand the level of HFT activity. HFT algorithms can swiftly swoop in and out of trades, exploiting minute price differences and rapid fluctuations. So, it's vital to leverage the sophisticated capabilities of Meta_Quant's HFT signal system to identify these potentially profitable trading opportunities. And the results? They are nothing short of mesmerizing. The NYMEX exchange, where we'll be focusing our energies today, is a prime arena for commodities futures trading. It's a bustling marketplace teeming with opportunities. But, it's not without its pitfalls. Market traps, or spoofing, can skew the perception of demand or supply, causing unwary traders to take positions based on manipulated price movements. This is where Meta_Quant's robust HFT signal system and advanced analytics can provide a much-needed shield, helping us identify and navigate around these potential traps. My friends, as we journey into the world of crude oil futures and HFT, remember, knowledge is our most formidable weapon. The ability to discern the genuine from the fraudulent, the fortuitous from the fraught, and the profitable from the precarious can make all the difference. So, let's arm ourselves with the insights and the state-of-the-art technology of Meta_Quant, and prepare for an incredible expedition into the vibrant world of crude oil futures. Today, we will not just learn about HFT, the bid-ask spread, market making, and the world of crude oil futures. Today, we will step into the exhilarating world of modern trading. Let's get ready to witness, to explore, and to conquer. Let's get ready to scalp the CL continuous futures contract right here, on the NYMEX exchange, and let's get ready to redefine trading success, with Meta_Quant. Hold tight and stay tuned, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey. Welcome to the future of trading. Welcome to Meta_Quant.
something like this.